Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your sound output settings on your Mac. This lets you switch between your built-in speakers, AirPlay devices, or any external speakers you've connected. First, click on the Apple icon at the top left of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Sound. In the sound settings you'll see two main sections, Output and Input. Make sure you're on the Output tab. By default, your Mac will use the built-in speakers, like MacBook Pro speakers. But if you have other devices available, such as AirPlay speakers, Sonos speakers, or external speakers, you'll see them listed here. Just click on the one you want, and your Mac's audio will play through it. You can also adjust the output volume directly in this menu, or mute the sound completely. If you switch back to your built-in speakers, you'll also get extra controls, like adjusting the balance between the left and right speakers, and that's it. Now you know how to quickly manage and customize your sound output on macOS,